Welcome to English Urdish. Vocabulary for kids. Occupation and profession. Occupation. Occupation refers to the regular activity performed by a person to earn money. Profession is an occupation requires a high degree of knowledge and expertise in the specific field. Engineer. I am an engineer. I build and maintain roads and building. Doctor. A doctor treats the patients and advises medicine. Dentist. She is a dentist. A dentist is qualified to treat dental diseases. Nurse. A nurse takes care of sick people specifically in hospital. Pilot. He is a pilot. A pilot operates the flying control of an aircraft. Teacher. She is a teacher. She teaches her students. Taxi driver. I am a taxi driver. I drive a taxi. My job is to pick and drop the passengers to their destination. Businessman. He is a successful businessman. A businessman is good at dealing with business. A hairdresser cuts and styles hair as an occupation. Beautician. She is a beautician. A beautician's job is to give people beauty treatment. Farmer. Farmers are involved in planting, cultivating the land, and overseeing livestock on his farm. Gardener. The old man is a gardener. He keeps a good care of the garden, water and trim the plants as per requirement. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs machines and vehicles. Electrician. He is an electrician. An electrician installs and repairs electrical equipment. Scientist. He is a scientist. A scientist is an expert in one of the sciences. He invents new things. Police officer. A police officer enforces law, arrests criminals, and helps the public. Astronaut. He is an astronaut. An astronaut explores the space. Chef. Johann is a chef. He cooks delicious food in hotels and restaurants. Baker. Uncle Thomas is an experienced baker. He makes cakes, bread and biscuits. Waiter. The boy is a waiter. A waiter serves people food and drink. Butcher. He is butcher. Butcher cuts and prepare meat for sale by doing various tasks. Postman. He is a postman. A postman delivers the mails to home. Delivery man. A delivery man delivers goods to customers. Photographer. A photographer takes photos. Flight attendant. A flight attendant helps passengers who are traveling in an aeroplane. She is a tailor. A tailor prepares clothes for others. She is an optometrist. An optometrist examines people's eyes. He is an architect. An architect designs buildings. He is a firefighter. A firefighter puts out fire and saves lives. Housekeeper. A housekeeper keeps the house clean, prepares food, and looks after the house. Soldier. I am a soldier. My job is to protect the country from enemies. Accountant. I am an accountant. I maintain accounts and update financial records. Security officer. I am a security officer. I ensure the safety of the premises and personnel. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Don't forget to press bell icon.